All right, you guys. I'm just making this quick, kind of down and dirty, to give you a little bit of helps on things that are different with the Synergist courses. So first, we're going to go into IOL because some of you are like, I'm having trouble finding the course. So if you hit search for classes, and then your term is going to be cohort spring. Your subject for us would be nursing. Okay, why isn't it doing it? Oh, I know why. And then I put the course level here at 500 because you only have to fill out 3 fields, remember? And then if you hit submit, all of the courses come up for this first cohort. That's how you find your courses. Now, Patty has said that today is Friday the 13th. By tonight, or maybe hopefully Monday, we'll have our course assignments in Moodle. I almost called it Google. So you're going to find your course assignments for these courses here. So it will say 2020 CS N minus 500 or N 520 with the name. Now, when you click on that, it's going to just be the shell that you're used to seeing. So to find what Synergist did for us, you need to go down into the sandbox courses. So under the ongoing courses, you should have a sandbox courses. You click on that, and here's the master shell. This is what you upload from into your course. Some things about it is, I don't know why this doesn't say topic 1, but it says module 1, so they click here, and then everything for this section is here that I have. So that is similar to how it should look for you. Now, don't use this. You're gonna upload this into your own course, and then you can make any changes that you want. If we decide we want them to make changes to this master shell, you just have to keep track of what they are, and I'll work with them to make those changes once the semester is over. So remember, I'm just going to say it again. You go to, well, that didn't work. You go to the sandbox, and you'll find, so it will say N500, N520, N521, BI 338 will be here. You click on this, and this is the course you want to copy. And then it will come up here in this shell for you to use. All right, so we can be working. Those are the 2 main questions. Really the things the students want are the link in the textbooks isn't working because I did the adoptions, and when I scroll down here, you guys, and I click on this, nothing comes up. But when I log into this, it's there. So I don't know if it's not, and I did it under this 2020 cohort, so I don't get why it's not there. So, and I don't even know who to ask. Who do we even ask? I don't even know. All right. Thanks so much. Sorry things aren't perfect. If I don't see you, Merry Christmas.